Hey guys, it's me, Lucia something else. I'm taking my dog out right now. His name is Mud, wink wink. And he's absolutely disgusting. I'll tell you that. And there's this adorable dog up there. I don't know if you can see him. Might be a little bit hard to see. Nope, can't see him. He's up there. He's barking at me. I'm saying hi. So I'm just gonna go wherever my dog takes me. Apparently it's closer to the cute dog that's up there. Sounds like he's crying or something. He looks so cute. Sounds like he's crying. He's like going. I don't know if you can hear that from him, but I can kind of hear him. It's kind of quiet. So I know I haven't made a video in a while, and I am feeling better now. So I thought I might make a little short video on this. Dog barking at me and me taking out my adorable little Mud. He may be gross, but he is adorable. His neck is the fluffiest part. Wink, wink. And that dog looks really cute. Don't know. This is so cute. Look. What are you doing? Hi. You wanna play with Mud? This is Mud. Hi. Hi. How you doing? How you doing? Wanna play with Mud? I don't know if Mud can see you. I think he can. Little muddy dog. What do you want with me? Dogs don't know how to use money, right? Hope not. Is this dog trying to sue me? What the heck? Mud's getting all excited. No, Mud. If there's two dogs barking right now, each one's barking at two different people. I think, anyways. I think the dog from up there and my dog are having a conversation. My dog isn't even aiming in that direction. He's aiming in that direction because there's another dog over there. My dog's getting all excited because he wants to meet him. My dad just got home. Got a little basketball hoop here. This is my basketball hoop, by the way. Practice basketball. My dog is pulling me over here in this area that I never take him. So, time to explore new things. Find new things. I'm just joking. I've been over here tons of times. Not that many times with Mud, though, because he smells. Yeah, like my elbow. Gorgeous. Wink, wink, winky, wink, 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 wink. That is my signature wink. Wink, wink, wink. Mud, you ready to go home now, poo-poos? Poo-poo-poos? Poo-poo-pops? Papa-poo? Mud, gotta head home now. Mud, it's been too long and you smell too bad, so gotta go. Mud, come on, let's go home. I will meet you guys when we get home. Bye.